Hi, Whemenoc Alarm Share, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. And it's a special video because, well, you'll find out. And I'm joined by...
Devil 7BO.
Yeah. So, today we got this box. And, well, obviously I'm gonna unbox the box. So, let's get to it, I guess. Oh my gosh. Oops. That's so over. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna just sit down, have this in my lap. Because that's what it looks like I have to do. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had to figure something out. Oh wait, are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Jesus hurts. Oops. Come on. Alright, here we go. Hells yeah. Okay, so we have that, and then we have, oh well, look at this. Oh wait, and then we have a Siren model M50 SPD, and it runs on 6 to, Jesus, a bit blurry, 6 to 12 VDC operation, 13.5 volts max. Current drawn 200 mA, 12 DC. 115 decibels plus 3 decibels. So 118 decibels. Dual tone steady or yelp. High impact ABS housing. Weather resistant. Suitable for indoor outdoor use. And yeah.
So, what is piezo-dynamic technology? Piezo-dynamic technology is revolutionary technique that allows a siren to operate more efficiently and with less weight than ever before. Piezo-dynamic technology utilizes full-size diaphragms and ceramic wafers to create the full frequency response and loudness of voice coil magnet sirens without the weight or current draw of conventional sirens. 15-watt dual-tone siren.
So that's that. Okay, so let's take the siren out of the box. Ooh, this is nice. Are you ready? Here we go. If I can get it out of the box, that is. It's like stuck in there. There we go.
Wow. Wow.
Check that out.
That is really cool.
Yeah, I like this siren. It's a small little guy. Wow.
I like it.
Me too.
I saw a video of that on the internet. Yeah, parts scratch on YouTube.
So there. So that's my siren. And we'll put that right here. Whoop whoop. So that's pretty much it. So see ya guys. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.